Did you know that Volvo makers call their new car an espresso shot of Volvo? Or did you know that the new Volvo EX30 has an innovative air purification system that can clean the cabin air from outside contaminants even before you walk inside, providing a breath of fresh air every time you open the door? Welcome to Car Zone, where we always take you on a different adventure. So grab some popcorn and join us as we explore the flaws and fabs of the new Volvo. Volvo has earned a space in the automotive industry where performance meets style for its dedication to safety and dependability. The Volvo EX30, the company's newest model, stands out as a symbol of technical brilliance and modernism. However, in the ever-changing automotive world, does this newcomer to the Volvo family actually deliver on its promises? There is only one way to find out. Design. The appearance of the EX30 has a modern beauty, merging elegant lines with powerful curves. The iconic Volvo grille takes the stage, flanked by LED headlights emphasizing the bold front appearance. As you may know, the Volvo EX30 is the smallest SUV ever made, which makes it a little odd-looking, because you would expect an SUV to seem grand and large. But the new Volvo is the polar opposite. It features a flat front and smooth sides. The wheels are 18 and 20 inches in diameter, which is more than enough for a car of this size. Finally, the back features a lot of embellishments, such as tail lamps and a black roof, and a sophisticated color palette that includes yellow, blue, gray, white, and black. They are solid colors if you ask me, although I'm not quite digging the yellow. Inside, passengers are enveloped in elegance and comfort from the moment they step inside. With a clean dashboard accented by a user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system, the minimalist design aesthetic is prevalent. Luxurious seats made of high-quality materials improve the driving experience and provide comfort even on extended trips. Along with sleek doors, it also comes with massive door bins. There is also a lot of storage in the front and back of the car. It also comes with wireless charging and USB charging. It also has hidden cup holders, which saves space and looks elegant. You can also see the beautiful glass roof. However, it does not have a cover, which can cause concern. About the seats at the back, although this car is quite small, it does have a roomy headspace in the backseat, but not a lot of legroom. However, this won't be a problem for a family who have kids sitting at the back, making it a perfect family car in my opinion. Boot. Regarding load capacity, the Volvo EX30 is a compromise, even with its attractive and elegant design. Although the cabin provides luxurious luxury for passengers, the trunk room needs to be better for its class. Because of the cargo area's limitations, it can be difficult for people who need plenty of room to store heavier products or bags. Its 318-liter capacity is much less than those of comparable SUVs. Before we tell you about the performance of this car, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, what are you even doing? Performance. The powerful engine that powers the EX30 is located beneath the hood and is built to balance output and efficiency. The vehicle performs admirably on the road. Its tight steering and rapid handling add to an exciting driving experience. When fully charged, its real-world range is 172 miles, which is fairly significant. It can produce about 270 horsepower at range. The twin-motor performance version of the EX30 is the fastest accelerating Volvo vehicle ever, reaching 60 miles per hour in under 3.4 seconds. Both a single-range motor and a dual-range motor are available for the EX30. Driving experience. The driving experience is enhanced by the use of cutting-edge technologies. Advanced driver support systems like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping aid promote a safer and more enjoyable travel experience by enhancing the driver's abilities. Volvo's commitment to sustainability is further demonstrated by the hybrid powertrain option, which provides an environmentally friendly choice without sacrificing performance. Its compact size makes it very easy to mount on the road, and its wide range of sensors and cameras increases its safety factor. Unmatched visibility is provided by the 360-degree camera system, which makes parking and navigating in confined places easier. Furthermore, the onboard connectivity capabilities guarantee current traffic and weather information, enabling drivers to make informed judgments while on the road. Additionally, voice-activated controls on the infotainment system provide convenience and let drivers concentrate on the road while maintaining connectivity. Price. You might love a car, but it may be out of your budget, or you might hate it, or it might be in your budget. Well, now is the time for you to decide whether the new Volvo is in your budget or not. Lucky for you, the Volvo does have a highly competitive price range. In fact, it is one of the lowest price SUVs. The EX30 Core has a starting price of around $34,950. The EX30 Plus starts from around $38,900, and the EX30 Ultra starts from around $40,600. The prices for dual motors will obviously be increased, with Volvo Plus starting from around $44,900 and the Ultra dual motor starting from around $46,600. The pre-orders for the Volvo EX30 have begun or will do so anytime soon, with deliveries expected to be in the fall of next year. Potential drawbacks. While the EX30 has proved to be epitome of budget-friendly SUVs, with such a price also comes compromises. Some customers have complained that there isn't enough room for goods, especially when compared to other vehicles in the same class. Its epic style and comfort do come at the price of less storage space, which may restrict its usefulness for people who need more space for cargo. Furthermore, despite the hybrid variant's eco-friendly promotion, several customers have noted inconsistent fuel economy. Even if the hybrid system drastically lowers emissions, it is difficult to achieve the promised mileage numbers in practical situations, suggesting that there is still an opportunity to maximize the effectiveness of the hybrid technology. Some more features. As mentioned before, the EX30 comes equipped with ultrasonic sensors and cameras, ensuring the safety of your ride. It's also impeccable to note how Volvo greatly focused on studying the root causes of accidents and worked around preventing them. Not only this, but they are also very environmentally friendly and are said to have the lowest carbon footprint of any Volvo car ever made. Their aim is to make Volvo cars fully electric by 2030 and carbon neutral by 2040. Google is incorporated into every Volvo EX30 with native Google Maps and Google Assistant. Wireless Apple CarPlay is also included, as are a number of sophisticated safety technologies such as a driver alert system, blind spot information system (BLIS), door opening alert, and front and rear collision mitigation. The Volvo EX30 Plus, in fact, will also give users an impressive Harman Kardon premium sound system, as well as 19-inch wheels. Is it FAB or FLAWED? The Volvo EX30 is evidence of the company's steadfast dedication to both safety and innovation. Its attractiveness is enhanced by the smooth blending of cutting-edge technology, which promises a driving experience that simply goes beyond. The EX30 is not without flaws, though, such as its small load capacity. However, a more thorough assessment of individual goals may be necessary for individuals pursuing higher utility or stricter fuel economy standards. The Volvo EX30 is pricey compared to most average cars, even if it can be an excellent choice for individuals searching for an affordable SUV. At the end of the day, it's important for you to know what your preference is and weigh the pros and cons as per your needs. Alright folks, this was all for today's video. Did you like what you saw? Would you be buying the EX30? If yes, let us know in the comments below. Also, while you're at it, subscribe to the channel and enjoy an endless stream of more such innovative and fun videos. Make sure to hit the like button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Until then, take care and we'll see you soon.